So guys, so what is up? Please subscribe, first of all. And guys, the traveling guinea pig saw her first severe thunderstorm ever. I know it's insane, I've not had her for a while. But yeah, last night we had hail, we had lightning, we had like everything with a thunderstorm. So I'm gonna show you a clip right now of some lightning right here. So so after that, it was basically just really like extremely heavy rain. We had some hail. The forest got struck by lightning. It's actually starting to rain right now, but there's a thunderstorm pretty close by. But yeah, basically, guys, just subscribe because, bro, it was just crazy. It lasted forever. We got like a ton of flooding. But yeah, bro, like you guys can. That's the thunder I'm talking about. It's like 15 miles away. That's a different storm than we had last night, though. But anyways, guys, please subscribe to this channel. Let's get it. Bye.